Hello friends. Okay, is it recording? Yes, it is recording. Yeah. Hello friends. Today I am just explaining some concept about PWR, pressure with volume reading. So the basic concept in pressure and volume reading is understanding the pressure of the candlestick. Here we can see the wicks of the candlesticks, but we need to understand the underlying pressure of the wick, whether it is a buying pressure or the selling pressure. So that is the main concept, and once you master to understand the underlying pressure of the wick, then you can get profit in binary option. So these are the two sessions in a single day I took. This is the morning session and this is afternoon session. Okay, so here we need to understand that this is the seller candle and volume is low, means seller decreased the previous seller's volume in this scenario, and in this scenario buyers decreased previous buyer's volume, hence the next candle is red. In this scenario we find buyer weak 2 time and third time seller strong, so the next candle is red. How seller becomes strong? Seller becomes strong by decreasing the volume of the buyers. In such a manner seller becomes strong. And another thing is, we need to find the comfort zone in a market, where the market works and where it will not work. So for that reason we need to spend some time on a live screen in demo account. If you just read the chart offline and then you switch to the demo account, then you will get confused. So having screen experience is also important. So this is something about the pressure and volume reading, and next concepts I will explain some concepts, and I have made a research over this concept since from past 1 month, and now I am getting these results. So if you want to take classes for like this, you can contact me on the Telegram ID. The course fees is very less, and yeah, basically this is for those people who are get some arrogant because of the CWR course. For that reason I'm opening the PWR course, and yeah, I'm keeping the fees very low. So this is something about it, and just one advice I would like to give to the people who are studying CWR or PWR on their own. They need to spend a time on a live screen also, and don't go on a real account directly. See, basically it works like this. Whether you need to give money to the mentor or you need to give money to the broker to learn the thing, and if you give money to the broker, the learning curve will be very high. It will take more time to learn by yourself rather than someone is teaching you. Yeah, and for those who are trying to learn by themselves, I'm going to make some short shots depending on this PWR concept. For that reason I have used some indicators here. They are simply nothing but EMAs. Depending on EMAs we mark it work how. Depending on that we can share some short shots of PWR, those who want to study their own, because I can understand that uh, who is trying to learn their own, they need to struggle a lot, because I'm also learned by my own. For that reason I'm sharing some of the short shots of PWR in our YouTube videos. So please guys, try to analyze the market correctly and don't blow your accounts. So if you are self learning, spend more time on the demo screen and try to frame the rules. Okay, without rules there is nothing. You need to frame exact rules, objective rules for your trading, then you can get profitable trader. Yeah, and if you found this information useful, subscribe to my channel and share this video. And sure, I will post some short shots of PWR for free of cost. As I make a video I will share in my YouTube channel. धन्यवाद.